'Twas on Good Friday morning, all in the month of May, a German ship was signalling way out on in the bay, with 20,000 rifles all ready for to land. But no answering signal did come from the lonely Banner strand. No answering signal from the shore, Sir Roger sadly said. No comrades here to welcome me, alas, they must be dead. But I will do my duty and make ready for to land. So when a small boat rowed ashore on the lonely Banner strand, there I see were searching for Sir Roger high and low. They found him in a Kenneth Ford. They said, "You are our foe." Said he, "I am Roger Casement, and this is my native land, and I mean to free my comrades on the lonely Banner strand." They took Sir Roger prisoner, and they sailed for London town. They led him to the Tower, and a traitor he was found. He said, "I am no traitor, but a trial he had to stand for bringing German rifles to the lonely Banner strand." 'Twas in an English prison that they led him to his death. "I am dying for my country," he said with his last breath. Now he's buried in a prison yard, far from his native land, and the wild wind sings his requiem on the lonely Banner strand.